So what is it today in Keith's Territory Chop Shop? Fitting flares to Tyler's car. A few people ask me how I done mine, so it'll be the same as how I've done mine. Fronts and rears. Only these are
eBay flares.
eBay. How much you get them? They're cheap as hell.
Like $39 for a set of 4.
So there you go, $39 flares. So screw them on. We're going to screw it on, mark it, pull it off, cut it.
Stick it back on.
Stick it back on.
And then the back requires a bit of welding.
And then the back will be, yeah, the same thing, mark it, cut it, and then we'll have to pull it, hammer it up, weld it, all of the rest. So you can buy a rubber seal, but because we stretched them a little, we're just going to glue it. It's going to be better.
Yeah, and this stuff will hold it on there.
And it will hold it on there. Front's done, all sealed, screwed on, blacked out screws. Sits good. Maybe you can really see that one. GoPros don't really work great with light. Sits perfect. Onto the back. Mark it out where we want it. It's going to sit a little bit higher, like there's the body. So it should be a bit of a clearance and match the front, because the Territory rear guards sit lower than the front guards.
It'll be cut out
by design.
There.
Yeah.
So we're cutting out probably 2 inches of steel.
Yeah, but if you look up in there, because it's so, GoPro's probably not going to work. But it's easy to mould that together. We can weld it back up, as you'll see soon. So I'm just going to butt in and say, if you like your paintwork, mask it up. Tyler's going to paint his car eventually, so that's why we're not too concerned. But yeah, if you like your paintwork, mask it all up before you go cutting and grinding and sparks everywhere. Due to YouTube's copyright bullshit, I've got to keep pausing the music every time we go to record, but we do normally have music playing in the shed. Tyler's got a few extra nuts.
In case he's got them in his hands.
Oh, damn Jack. There you go. Like always, torque everything to spec. So we're about to do the other side. I'm not going to film the whole thing again, just because we've done one side. The other side exactly the same. Scoot it on, mark it out, cut it, so on and so on. There it is. Looks good. Ah, look, better late than never. Where you going? Well, I won't show you the different place. I will show you the different place. Walk up the street so I can show you the different flares. So these flares are off NP300 Navara. They're the smooth flares. So they're done a bit different to Tyler's, but they do follow the body line of the territory pretty well.
Hi, Dad.
Sophia. Aria. Oh, nice bird crap. But yeah.
Boom!
The same thing. Trimmed and hammered. Yeah, that's how you can fit multiple different flares. Same way we did today.